Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, or be discussing with you, how to book flight with Klarna. But first, check a special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to book a flight inside Klarna, well, there are a few things that you may want to know here. Now, the thing with Klarna is it only works on certain platforms or certain websites. So to check that, you may want to go to klarna.com here and basically look for any options that basically says shop, and you want to go and choose the option that says travel or something similar. You may want to go to all categories, but in this case, once you are in the travel or in the in this case in the store section here, you should see the option for apps or platforms that accepts Klarna payment. Now, just to give you some idea, not all platforms accept Klarna here, so just keep that in mind. So you can go and browse through all the travel options or travel platforms here, and in this case, search for the platform that you want to use. Now, in this case, there are obviously there are going to be a lot of options out there. So just to give you an example, we have Alternative Airlines, which supports Klarna. And just to give you some idea, I'm going to just type in Alternative in here, and you should see Alternative Airlines here if you want to book with them. Now, inside here, you want to go and specify how or where you want to go. So go and just fill out all the necessary details here. Now, once you've entered where you're coming from and where you want to go, the dates, and also the passengers here, you should be able to see your options. So in this case, you want to go and search for one that actually fits your budget. You can go and click on details here if you want to see all of the details. But for now, let's go and just select this one as a means for us flying to that destination and click on next step. Now it's going to check for some availability here. Just wait for a while. Now from here, you want to go enter the necessary details, like for example, your contact details, your passenger details. And once you've done that, it should redirect you to customizations. If you want to add your, let's just say, your insurance or additional bags, you can go and do that. Now, once you get into the summary page, once you've chosen your baggage or whatever you want to add into your account, in the last page here, you should be able to see the payment selection option. Now, from here, look for Klarna. So in this case, go and select that. And it should allow you to log in into your account and start creating your one-time card for Klarna. So obviously, you can go and just follow the on-screen steps for Klarna here like you would usually do with your payments with Klarna, and you should be able to pay for your flight. But again, just make sure that your account can actually cover that. So in some cases, the limit is around $1,000, but if you have more purchasing power, Klarna would allow more. But then again, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.